Hey, look at this. It's the caterpillar from Alice in Wonderland. Very cool. Hey guys, David here, and I'm out front of the Cosmopolitan about to go check into my room, but before I do, I'm gonna let you guys know I'm gonna try the $20 trick. I'm gonna slip them $20 when I check in, see if I get an upgrade. Let's go see if it works. So what was the result of our $20 tip at the front? Well, I will tell you guys this, I'm already booked into a king suite here at the Cosmopolitan, so getting an upgrade from there is maybe asking a little too much. But what I did get was early check-in. And in fact, it was so early that the cleaners were still in the room, but the lady at the front desk made sure that I got my room right away, which I really appreciate. And now that we're in the room, the first thing I like to do is check out the view, so let's go take a look. I'm here on the 17th floor, and honestly, I really like this view. Not only do I like this view, I'm out here on my own private terrace, but the view is right in front of the Boulevard Pool. And I feel like I'm so close to it that I have like my own private viewing area of the pool. It's really nice. I can also see the strip right there. I can't say anything but good things about this view. Now let's go check out the bathroom. I really like this bathroom, but it's not your conventional bathroom layout. We've got a sink and mirror setup right here that we're standing in right now, and then in a separate room there's a toilet, and then right next to it there's this giant shower / tub area that's connected, and there's a window right next to the tub so you can look out towards the strip. Honestly, I really like this bathroom. First impressions. As I walked in, everything was clean and tidy, and what I first noticed was this big couch right here, and there's this bit of a lounge area with a big TV. It's really nice, and then there's a bedroom in its own separate area, and what I really like is there's a sliding door to kind of close it off if you want to, and of course the balcony, that's a huge plus. But I'll let you guys know what I really think at the end of this video, including my favorite part, but for now let's go check out the pools. That's right, pools. There's 2 pools here, let's go check them out. There are 2 pools at the Cosmopolitan. The one we're at right now is called the Boulevard Pool, and it is packed and it is bumping. You can probably hear the music is really loud in here. Really fun atmosphere. Let's go check out the other pool, the Chelsea pool. The Chelsea pool is located in the Chelsea Tower, and it is the smaller of the 2 pools, but it is still definitely a happening place, and it's kind of nice that there's 2 pools on this one property. When it comes to location, the Cosmopolitan is located on the center strip. It's right next door to the Bellagio and right across the street from the Miracle Mile shops and Planet Hollywood. Honestly, this is a really good location if you want to explore the strip. Hey guys, while we're hanging out, if you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's go check out the rest of the property. When it comes to the casino floor at the Cosmopolitan, they have lots of table games with $15 minimums. They have a nice sports book and a ton of slot machines. Definitely a place to gamble on the strip. When it comes to food at the Cosmopolitan, there are a lot of restaurants here, a lot of selection, a lot of good things to eat. But I'll tell you guys this, it's Friday night, it's super busy here, it's dinner time, and I didn't make a reservation for anywhere. So we're gonna go with something super casual because I'm hungry now, and head into Block 16 and find something to eat. So let's go. Okay, I decided to go with Lardo's hot sandwiches here in Block 16. Got the double burger, it's got bacon, cheese, lettuce, all the good stuff, pickles, and the dirty fries, which has hot peppers, bacon in it. Look at these things, this just looks delicious. Can't wait to try this, let you guys know what I think here in just a minute. Just finished up, and that food was really tasty and it came out quick. The burger was really good. The patties were like a smash style, so they were kind of thin, but there was 2 patties, really well cooked. Just, I love the whole thing. I am so stuffed, but it's Friday night here, so I'm gonna go out and hit the strip. I'm gonna leave you guys here. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. Let me give you my final thoughts here on the Cosmopolitan, starting with my favorite part. And my favorite part was absolutely having a terrace right off of the bedroom. That is so nice to be able to slide open a door, go out, get some fresh air, look at the lights of the strip from the terrace, and just, I can't overstate how awesome it is having a balcony on the strip. But let me also state that this was a comped room. I got a comped room through MGM's reward program. If you're not part of the rewards program, absolutely, you should sign up, get that, and play a little bit of the slots or some table games or whatever so that they send you out those offers. In my opinion, this is hands down the best room you can get through a comp, unless you're at like a much higher level, which I am not. I'm not a huge gambler. I like to gamble a little bit, but that being said, I did get offered this room at my level, and which is a sapphire, so keep that in mind too. I'm not even pearl or gold or platinum or anything like that. This is, hands down, my favorite comp offer through MGM. I would stay here over the Bellagio anytime. And with that said, I would give this place a 5 stars. Had a lot of fun here. The vibe of the whole property is like young adult, older adult, like lots of adults, not a lot of kids here. Everyone having a good time, lively, just overall a fun atmosphere. So wouldn't hesitate to come back here. But that's it for this one. Thank you guys for coming along. We should do it again sometime. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.